WH Smith, H&M, so Wilco. H&M is even I saw it in 5th Street, New York, Manhattan, 5th Avenue, sorry. So that is EE, it's a mobile operator, mobile service provider, not operator. So that is so Claire's, Vengels, so all cooperative bank, all these are all high street retailers. So we find all these Marks and Spencer. So we find all these shops in almost every town center here in UK, England, Scotland, Wales. So depending on the size of the town center, so you can see. So this is the high street McDonald's. So this is where I have given my first interview to work in McDonald's. This is O2. Now my network is O2. I have taken O2 SIM. It works in entire Europe. So this McDonald's, my friends used to work here. I have attended an interview here, but I worked in a different branch in Riverside, not here. So that is Barclays Bank. So that is Meadow Shopping Mall, Poundland. There used to be one Burger King there. It is still there. I worked there for only, this is Riverside. So there's a small canal there. So I worked in that Burger King only for 16 hours. So just 4 days, daily 4 hours. So they couldn't give hours to me. At least I wanted to work like 20 hours when I was studying. So they didn't give me. So then I have joined McDonald's. Lucky that I immediately got a job in the McDonald's. So I used to work late nights and nights and weekends, late nights and nights. So this is Burger King. My first job in UK, first job in outside India. This is Odeon Theatre, but I never saw a movie in Odeon. This is a canal, so you can see, but it's not good. So this road again leads to another, like Broomfield Road. So Bada Road, sorry. So this is a new thing. Office. It is a new establishment. So Poundland, even this Poundland is new. So it was not there earlier in 2005, 2007. Beautiful High Chelmer shopping. So the Boots is there. There are several cafes inside. So several shops, shoes, clothes, Primark. So there are several. I think now it is closed. I can't get all high street letting agents. So if you need any rent for house, or if you want to buy house or sell house, so this is the place where we have to come. So this is Abbott's. So even we have taken rent. This is LI Leaders. So even they advertise like this. So they put photos, everything, and price. If you are interested, yes, we can go inside and meet them. So someone will take us to that property and they will show that property. So this is an insurance broker. So these are all high street letting agents. So this is pubs. These are pubs. There used to be some more letting agents, but I think they are not here now. So they might move to Beresford. You can see Beresford's. Beresford's is also famous here in UK. So we find it in almost like most of the town centers. So this is the main church of Chelmsford. So even our graduation ceremony happens here in this church. So we take our degrees here. So this is Beresford, this is home, and this William H. Brown. So all those, they're all high street. Chelmsford Court, Magistrates Court. But it is looking like a normal building. So that is police station, Chelmsford main police station. So that is like also looking like a flat office, not like police station. So but it is very good. So they control everything here. They are very efficient. Spending the entire day in Chelmsford. Now I am going back to my hostel in London. So 9:41 is the train. Now the time is 9:31. So I am entering this station. You can see from platform 1. Now the time is 9:35. So London Liverpool Street. So it is 5 coaches. It stops in Shenfield, Stratford, and London Liverpool. Coming Liverpool Street. So Greater Anglia train. So it's always a good, excellent train.
Welcome to this service for London Liverpool Street. We will be calling at Shenfield, Stratford, and London Liverpool Street. London Liverpool Street. Next station, Stratford.
I have just arrived in London Liverpool Street, where I have started morning at 10:16. So now I have to go to my hostel, which is just 2-3 stops away. This is Liverpool Street, one of the best stations, like in terms of its looks. So I used to admire this. I am a big fan of Liverpool Street because I used to go to Chelmsford using this station often. At least I used to travel every 1 month or once in 2 months. So now I am saying goodbye to this good Liverpool Street, and I am taking underground train, that is tube. So I will take Central Line and I go to Mile End. From there I take another District Line and Hammersmith Line, and I go to Aldgate East, where my hostel is located. So this is the way to go to. This is Central Line going to Epping. I have to get over at Mile End. Only 2 stops. This is Central Line. This is District Line going to Barking. So I have to get down at next stop, Aldgate East. Sir, this is District Line going to Richmond, not Barking. Sorry. So I have to get down at Aldgate East. So this is Aldgate East station. So my hostel is only 5 minutes, like 500 meters from this tube stop. It is very cool, close to tube stop, I can say. So this is a District Line going to Richmond. Finally I came to my room around 11 o'clock. So yeah.